Very good evening. You're watching the headlines with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. After the BJP's wings were clipped post the Aam Aadmi Party's massive victory in the Delhi Assembly elections, now the BJP state president Manoj Tiwari has offered to quit. However, sources in the party say that there is no need for him to do that. The party will very likely replace Tiwari with someone else after the organizational elections. The organizational elections will be held in about 1 or 2 months, and they were delayed because of the Delhi Assembly elections. And after a stunning victory registered by the Aam Aadmi Party in the Delhi elections, with the AAP once again registering a landslide, now Arvind Kejriwal has been elected as the leader of the legislative party during the meeting of the newly elected Aam Aadmi Party MLAs that was held at the residence of the AAP chief. Manish Sisodia confirmed today that Kejriwal will take oath as the Chief Minister of Delhi for the third consecutive time on Sunday, February the 16th. The oath-taking ceremony will take place at Ram Leela Maidan, and Kejriwal earlier today met with Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal. And Delhi Congress in charge, PC Chacko, has appeared to blame Sheila Dikshit, the former Chief Minister of Delhi, for 15 years for Congress's drubbing this time. Remember, Congress this time has again drawn a blank, and its vote share has also plunged to 4%. 4% vote share and 0 seats, and now PC Chacko says that the drubbing the Congress has received, the downfall of the Congress in fact began under Sheila Dikshit's tenure, because the Aam Aadmi Party was formed in 2013 and the entire vote bank of the Congress party shifted to the Aam Aadmi Party, he said. A day after the Aam Aadmi Party registered a massive victory, veteran Congress leader P. Chidambaram congratulated the Aam Aadmi Party and said that it managed to stop the divisive policies of the BJP. He also said that Delhi had set an example for other states to emulate. Now, this irked Sharmistha Mukherjee, who is the Delhi Mahila Congress president and daughter of former President Pranab Mukherjee. She asked P. Chidambaram that whether the Congress party had outsourced its job of defeating the BJP, and if that is the case, then should all the Pradesh Congress committees shut shop. 2611 mastermind and terrorist Hafiz Saeed has been convicted by a Pakistani court. He has been sentenced to jail for 5 years. The JUD chief and the LET founder, Hafiz Saeed, remember, has been banned by the UNSC for his terror-related and terror funding activities. And there appears to be more delay in the hanging of Nirbhaya gang rape and murder convicts. A Delhi court today had offered Pawan Gupta, who is one of the convicts in the Nirbhaya death row case, legal aid after he said that he does not have a lawyer. Now, mother of the gang rape convict, Asha Devi, broke down in court and she left the premises, saying that these are just delay tactics of the convicts and that the court must recognize it. Later, she was seen protesting outside the court, demanding a speedy hanging of the convicts. A fresh batch of 25 foreign diplomats from Germany, Canada, France, other European nations and other nations in Asia, etc. have arrived in Jammu and Kashmir today on a 2-day visit to assess the ground situation in the valley post the abrogation of Article 370 on 5th of August 2019. Now, this second batch arrives after the first batch of 15 foreign diplomats had visited the erstwhile state in January. At that time, several European Union members had stayed away from the visit and demanded that they want more than just a guided tour of the erstwhile state. Now, as per reports, the delegation this time will also be meeting local businessmen in North Kashmir as well as media representatives and members of civil society. Data related to the National Register of Citizen in Assam had gone missing. The Assam NRC coordinator, however, said that all is well and that the data was not on the site since December 15th and that all it was a technical issue and that the matter will be resolved soon. Even the Home Ministry issued a clarification on the matter, saying that it was nothing more than a technical glitch. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.